The problem. Hi, I'm Kay with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. We've all heard the old saying about being caught between a rock and a hard place. Well, unfortunately, that's where most homeowners find themselves when they decide to move from one home to another. If you buy before selling, you could run the risk of owning two homes. Or, just as bad, if you sell first, you could end up homeless. That's what is known as the real estate catch-22. The solution. A new and innovative program that TrademyHome.com offer actually guarantees the sale of your home and takes away all of the worry and stress associated with selling and buying another home. Here's how it works. We buy your current home for cash in 24 hours so you can avoid the stress, risk, and hassle of selling it traditionally on the open market. You continue to stay in your home for as long as you want. When you've found the home of your dreams, you'll be ready to make an offer with no lending or home sale contingency. Move to your next dream home anywhere in the United States. We will then sell your current home on the open market. If your home sells for more than the price we paid for it, we give you the difference and all the upside of your equity. Guaranteed. Remember, not all real estate companies are alike, and you should consider only those that can offer you the most innovative plan available to ensure that your needs are completely and properly met.